All right. Now, a short while ago, I asked you about companies coming to you and they want their products tested and they think this will be a selling point. And as you noted, it's quite possible they could come to you and the product fails, but I would think those would not be the ones who would be seeking you out. But all the same, you must at this point, after having done this for years, have had products that, certainly that have failed. And I'm curious about the kinds of products we're talking about. I mean, I don't know if you want to name companies or brands, but what are the kinds of products that you see failing and what's making them fail? What's wrong with them?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've seen herbal supplements where the company is just lying. There's no active ingredient, zero active ingredient in the product.
Whoa.
And this is crazy, right? It's literally just a sugar pill. And then even worse than that, we found some of those products, sometimes because they have their sugar pill will have bacteria in them on top of that. So they have no active ingredient and they have a contamination. And that happens in so many categories, right? So fish oil has those problems where the products can go rancid and you don't know because you don't break open the capsule before you swallow it. So you can't smell the oil. So you just take it and that could make it worse, not better, right? That could actually cause inflammation and cause you to get sick instead of what you're trying to do, which is reduce inflammation. And it's just category after category protein.
But how could that? Let's get to that in a second. But on the fish oil thing, is that just a matter of the shelf life is not as long as people think? Because I don't see how you could help that problem.
So it's a shelf life issue. It might also be how long the manufacturing control let that fish oil stay in warehouse before it got made. And so there's just everyone just throws a 2-year expiration date on these products. But they're not testing the products necessarily before they do that.
And it's funny, people, well, myself included, treat these expiration dates like they're holy writ or something, when probably there's not a super duper sophisticated algorithm going along with them. What were you going to say about protein powder? A lot of people use that.
So we found a number of protein powders that had lead and arsenic contamination. And these are things that you take every day. You take them in large volumes, right? Because you're going to take 2-3 scoops sometimes a day. And so that can really lead over time to kind of accumulation of these heavy metals in your body, right? And so there's a huge difference and creatine is the same way. There's products that have high amounts of creatinine in it, and that can kind of accumulate over time in your body. And so if you're going to take a product every single day, which is what most vitamins and supplements are meant for, the difference between a high and a low quality product can really affect your health.